Hey guys, good morning. How you doing? Tony here. I did sell two of the three calls. I was up, I think, in those other two calls about a full 100%, which are they were respectively the 146 and 149 calls expire in about a month from now. They were up 100% fully, and I am keeping the one call for 139. I'm basically letting this one run if to see if it actually hits 146, which I think it might hit tomorrow. If it doesn't hit 146 by tomorrow, I'm probably still gonna be holding just because there's still so much time on this Apple call. But yeah, Apple sold two out of the three calls, basically made a full 100% on both those other calls, and on this one, currently up about 85%. And this is the second example of using the breakout strategy. The first one was Nike, which was an obvious success. It was more than 100% for those calls. Apple, currently two calls over 100%, and this third one for 85% on the upside. I'm currently in Costco calls. I did buy some Pepsi calls today, expiring in about a month, and I'm also in DocuSign right now. All of which are using the same breakout strategy that I told you guys. And if you guys find anything that's about a breakout, specifically using the breakout strategy, please let me know. Definitely interested in looking at all plays. But again, I usually, I look for plays myself also. But yeah, just updating you guys. I'll see you guys later.